Hey, what is up guys? I am Buzz. If you're watching this video, most likely you're having a problem with your SD card or your micro SD card. If the problem is about the storage capacity not being accurate, this fix will most likely work for you. Let's fix that in this video. Just make sure to follow the instructions step by step and let's get started. Before I forgot, you can always show your support through subscribing, and if this video was able to help you out, hit that like button down below. Now let's go to the computer.
Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we're going to put the SD card into our PC. As you can see here, it's already been detected, and we're just going to close this. And we go to the icon This PC or My Computer. And here we can find our disk and also our SD card. So the SD card is supposed to be 128 GB of storage space, but for some reason, it's only showing me 56.8 MB. And that's what we're gonna fix. First step is press the Windows key plus R, and it's gonna show you something like this. Here, you're gonna type in disk card. Okay, so we're gonna look for all the disks that we have. So we're gonna type in list disk. So it was able to find 4 disks. As you can see here, it's the same. So drive disk 0. So disk 0 is for my drive C, disk 1 is for my drive E, disk 2 is for my D, and disk 3 is for the SD card. So what we're looking for is the disk 3. Okay, so just remember to be careful when choosing the disk. Just be sure that this is the disk that you're supposed to reformat and not the storage disk or our first external disk that we have, because it's gonna delete all the files there. Okay, so let's move on. We're gonna type in select disk 3, since disk 3 is the SD card that I want to reformat. Press enter and then select partition 1. Okay, so partition 1 is now the selected partition, and we have to delete that. Delete partition. Okay, once again, be sure that this is the correct disk that you're looking for. Alright, press enter. And now it's deleted. Now we're gonna type in partition. Okay, so after that, it's gonna give you some of these options. And we're gonna clean that SD card first. Clean. Type in clean. Okay, as you can see, it succeeded in cleaning the disk. So now let's make a primary partition. Let's type in create partition primary. Okay, and format. Let's reformat it. Okay, so now that it's done, let's try to take a look at the SD card. And yes, so there it is. That's the 119 GB storage space. So if you ever find this problem on your SD card where the maximum storage space is not being indicated there, you should try this out, and maybe it will be able to fix it for you.
So that's it, simple as that. Did it work for you? I hope it did. If yes, then write down "oh yeah" to the comment below. I hope that you were able to fix your SD card or micro SD card rather than buying a new one. If ever you have any other gadget problems, kindly let me know in the comments below and I will try my best to help you out. I'll see you around the channel. Bye!